Hi, honeys. It's Michelle Escalin. I'm here today to show you my latest Nadine West bag. I have been so happy with the bags I've been getting. I've been doing Stitch Fix, Nadine West, and Fashion. And I've just been really happy with the 3 bags. They're all wonderful, but in different ways, which I really appreciate. And I don't have any jewelry on because they tend to send jewelry with these bags. Oh, by the way, what you do is you take the bag and you put whatever you don't want back in this. So there's 0 waste, which I love. And then they send a prepaid postage stamp that you put over what they use to send it to you. And that's it. That's how you send it back. Here's what the contents of the bag look like. I've got 1, 2, 4 jewelry items here. Is that 5? Wow, they're really sending me a lot of stuff now. Wrapped up in what looks like a dress. I love getting dresses. I'm just a dress wearing kind of gal. And then they sent me 2 dresses. Okay. So here's one. And here's the other one. Okay, I'm kind of wondering, are they watching these videos? They must know that I love dresses. The first dress that I have on is this one. It's got 3/4 sleeves on it, and they have the ruffles on them. It does not have pockets, and it's a empire waist dress. It's really, really, really super soft. It almost feels like pajamas. It's so soft. So here's the ruffles here on the arm. So it's double ruffles. It's actually very feminine, isn't it? I think I really like this. And it's this pretty peach color too. Let's see. And you're not going to believe this. It's $29.99 for this dress. This is the Alesandra peach dress in a 2X, and the brand is Moi or MOA. Okay. The way that Nadine West works is they charge you $9.78 a month for shipping, and then they send all the items to you. There is no styling fee, so then you just pay for what you want to keep. And one thing that I really like about this is, so I put everything I don't want to keep back in the bag and I send it back. And then they charge me for what I've kept. So I have a little bit of time to actually say, okay, I'm spending, I don't know, $35 on this box, and it'll come out in probably a week and a half or 2 weeks, and I can plan for it, which I really like. I'm more likely to buy more that way, if I'm really honest with you. I like to know ahead of time, because these boxes don't really give us a whole lot of time to decide what we want to keep and what we don't. I don't feel like they do anyway. Most of them are anywhere from 3 to 5 days. Especially if you're someone like me. I live in an apartment, and then I also have a box that I pay for. I don't check the mail every day, and if it goes to the apartment complex doesn't let me know for a couple of days that I even have a package. So usually I have to immediately respond and send it back that day, and it's kind of a lot. And so if I don't have money that day, I'm probably not going to spend a lot. So I wish every bag was like this, but so this one I still have 3 days between now and when I have to send it back. Okay, it says it's a dress, but it's a romper. It's got pockets, and it's a 1X. It's got fluttery sleeves. It zips up the back. The brand is Hayden, Los Angeles. And here you go. Now it's got like a peephole area right here. And you can tie these in bows. So that's what that looks like. Oh, guys, I don't think I like this. It just feels, it looks funny. The cut of it and everything, I'm just not a fan. It's a little too hippie for me. And I don't mean big in the hips, I mean like hippie, like Summer of Love kind of hippie, which is fine, but I'm not a hippie. I'm happy to be able to wear a 1X. But yeah, it's just not my style. It's cute though. I mean, if this is your style, here's the up close pattern and fabric. Let's move on to the jewelry. Oh, by the way, this is $29.99. It's the Merlette gold and turquoise necklace, and it's $19.99. I really don't like it. It's really shoddy. It's like the quality is just, there's like kinks all over in it, but it's not supposed to be kinked. And then it's like off center with the back and the bottom. It kind of looks like one of those things that you would find at a thrift shop that's just beat, and you have to decide if you want to get it and try to clean it up and fix it, except this is new. And the brand on this is Elan. You know what? I'm going to change back into that first dress because what I have on right now, it's really not comfortable. I have a very short torso, and this thing is giving me a wedgie. I know I have a big butt, but dang. There we go. I feel so much better in this dress. I feel like this would be cute on a really skinny girl. And I mean, I'm not throwing shade, I'm just being honest that this, I don't think, is the kind of dress slash romper that really looks good on a full figure lady. I think it's something that would really look good on a very thin person who doesn't really have like big hips or big breasts or anything. That would look so good on that body, I think. Like the cut of it, perfect for that kind of body. But it's definitely not plus size. They didn't have plus size bodies in mind when they made it. Let's just put it that way. Okay, so here's a pair of earrings. These are the Samira gold and silver earrings. They've got like a distressed look to them. I think I really like these because I think I might have mentioned in that Boohoo video, but I am kind of into gold and silver lately, and wearing them together is kind of appealing to me. What do you think? Let me get a little bit closer here so you can really see. What do you think? You like it? I think that's super pretty. I kind of like how I love hammered metal like this. That hammered look. I kind of genuinely like it. I wouldn't wear it with this outfit, but I really like it. Okay, so this is the Samira gold and silver earring, and they're $14.99 for these. Doing two piles here, the hell no and the probably. Ooh. I like this. So it's gold and silver. I just said I love that. It is hammered. I just said I love that too. And this is the Ebba EBBA silver bracelet for $13.99. Oh, I really like this. Probably pretty sure that this will be staying with me. You could wear it with anything. And I love that it's silver and gold. See, my wedding rings are both white gold. And so it looks kind of funny, I think, sometimes if I'm wearing gold up here and then I have white gold jewelry on. So if I put that bracelet with it, I feel like it would kind of bring it all together. Okay, this last item I'm going to show you, but I can tell you right now, it's not going to be something I keep. These are gold earrings. Very large gold earrings, gold hoops. And these are, it's really pretty. They're called the Dreams earrings, and they are $7.99. And to be really honest with you, I absolutely love these. But I can't pull off big hoops. I just can't do it. And I don't know if they look okay on me or not, but I feel like I look weird in big hoops like this. It just doesn't match my personality, I think. Like I wear really little earrings, like earrings you'd see a toddler wearing. Or if they dangle, they maybe go to here. I'm just kind of understated in my earrings. And even if I go wild, they're still a little bit shorter. I just feel like this doesn't match me. So I really like them, but they're just not something I would wear. I wish they were, because they're really cute, but they're not. I would ask you to tell me what you think. What should I keep? What should I send back? But I feel like it's kind of obvious what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. I'm definitely not keeping the big hoops or the weird necklace. And I'm not going to keep the other, they said it was a dress, but it was a romper that I tried on. I'm not keeping that either. I think I'm definitely keeping this dress. I just feel so feminine and pretty in it. And Brad said he loves it, which probably going to keep it if he loves something on me. I'm going to keep the bracelet. I'm on the fence about the earrings. It's not that I don't like them. I'm just worried about what the cost for all of it would be. So I'll have to sit down and kind of figure it out, see if it's something I feel that I can afford, and then go from there. But I'm actually really, really, really happy with this bag. To even consider keeping 3 things from one bag. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I don't usually keep much. If I keep anything, it's one thing. So Nadine West, I keep keeping more than one item. And I'm really happy about that. And I love, I'm sorry, did I say it again? I'm just going to say it one more time. I love this dress. It's so super soft. And you really can't beat that. And I feel like I could wear this anywhere. I could wear it out to dinner. I could wear it if I'm getting together with family. I could wear it to a picnic. I could wear it to church. If I had a job outside of the home, I could wear it to work. But since I work at home, who are we kidding? I'm not going to wear it to work. I always end up wearing yoga pants and a t-shirt to work. So I'm not wearing this. But I really love it. Basically, anytime we're going out, if Brad and I decide that we want to go to our favorite diner and have dinner, I can wear it. I could just wear it so many places. And I'm just head over heels in love with this dress. Thank you so much for watching. I will put down there in the description box a little description of each of the items. Have a great day, and we'll see you next Wednesday for more clothes.